PRLD stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Prelude Therapeutics Incorporated. It's a decent 18% increase, right? But does that mean that it's like this crazy bullish thing to buy? I mean, what I'm going to stick to is something that I've tested for 40,000 videos that I've done over the last 4 years. All that, by the way, is documented, so I'm going to mark down the lows. Boom, it's still the supply zone, right? Because we reached a certain point there in the past. So with our current this is a no man's land where we're in, but if there's that shift towards the downside, it is one heck of a short sell for me, at least. It's obviously not financial advice. What I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep obviously waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.